Hi everybody. In this video, we will guide on you opening PowerShell on Windows 11. Windows PowerShell is a robust scripting console app in Windows 11 introduced by Microsoft back in 2008. Although Microsoft insists you use Windows Terminal as your primary console app, PowerShell is still available on Windows 11, similar to Command Prompt. PowerShell is an advanced scripting language that includes a vast set of built-in commands known as cmdlets. The cmdlets perform various tasks, from simple file operation to programming and system administrative tasks. Executing tasks via PowerShell is a simple task. You need to enter the relevant shell command and hit enter from the keyboard, just like in Command Prompt. There are several ways you can open PowerShell on Windows, and we have listed those that are easy to use. How to launch Windows PowerShell on Windows 11 using Start menu. Click on the search button on the taskbar. On the search box at the top of Windows Search, type PowerShell. Now, click the Windows PowerShell from the available results to open it. How to open PowerShell using Windows Terminal? Open Windows Terminal by right-clicking on the Start button on the taskbar and then selecting Terminal or Terminal, Admin. By default, it should open PowerShell Profile. If not, select the downward-facing arrow beside the plus in the tabs bar when the Windows Terminal app opens. Then, click the Windows PowerShell option from the drop-down menu. Now, Windows PowerShell will open in a new tab in Windows Terminal. How to launch Windows PowerShell from Run command. Press Windows +R to open the Run dialog box. In the Run box, type PowerShell and then click OK or hit Enter from the keyboard to open Windows PowerShell. How to open Windows PowerShell using Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt. To do that, click on the Search button on the taskbar, and in the search box, type CMD. In the available search results, click on the Command Prompt app to open it. When Command Prompt opens, at the prompt, type PowerShell Start Process PowerShell and hit Enter from the keyboard. How to launch Windows PowerShell from Context menu. Windows 11 also lets you launch PowerShell from the context menu at any folder. File Explorer includes a hidden command by default. To open PowerShell in Windows 11 from the context menu, press and hold the Shift key on the keyboard, and then right-click on the free space on the desktop or the folder you want to open the PowerShell console. Then click the option Open PowerShell window here. That's it.